Yo, what's up YouTube? It's SH Garrison here. Today I'll be checking out BTOB-BLUE's music video for When It Rains. Last time I did check out this vocal subunit, I was blown away, and it was so breathtaking, their vocals and how they hit the high notes so well. It's crazy how it's such a coincidence that Hyunsik did a collaboration. He did a collaboration and the title track was Rini Apujong. But anyways, let's just get into this. I am so excited B2B Blue's back. I'm so happy that this subunit is back again. And yeah. All right. It's crazy. It's interesting how they release a title like just a single like this at this time of day, cuz right now in Korea it's like boiling hot apparently. One of my friends told me in Korea. Right away, speaking of Hyunsik, his beautiful vocals. Carrying a bag of groceries. Yep, that's Sungjae carrying that. Hyunsik starts making me think if I should get piercings here. He looks so beautiful with piercings in this scene. Oh. Once again, guys, I'm basically feeling the same thing every time when BTOB releases a song or their subunit releases a song. I always get these chills. So beautiful. I can appreciate a good ballad. I'm that type of guy that loves ballads, especially on a rainy day. So beautiful. Like this scene alone right here. Gotta love every member in Kwan here. Each and every member of this subunit. See, I wish I had. I'm sort of the guy that likes rain, like light rain like this, not like heavy storms and whatnot. I just like the sound of rain. I don't know why. Wow, that build up right there. Hey, get it. Wow. Topping on there right there. I'm definitely gonna hear this song regardless if it's raining or not, because it's that type of ballad that gets you in that moment, if you guys know what I'm saying. Wow, I love how they sing that part together and they just harmonize so well. This is exactly why B2B in general needs more attention. They deserve a lot more. Wow. Look at Sungjae in the scene. I love how they hit that high note together. Are you guys hearing this? Some ridiculous notes that they're hitting right now. Some crazy ad-libs in this song. Wow. Oh my goodness. The piano and every instrument added into this instrumental and beat and this track overall got me in sort of the feels at the end right there. Holy, B2B really can do a ballad very well, and they're unique on its own. That's why I can keep on saying that they really deserve the attention that they have been getting recently. They also deserve a lot more attention. I really appreciate, the ballads that they have putting out, especially as, just an entire group and adding in rap and whatnot and making it upbeat and happy. This time around, it has to deal with a little bit more mournful, not happy, more on the gloomy side, because when it rains, you're not always in that nice mood. But damn, they got me in a nice mood by hitting those high notes for sure. B2B, let me know who's your bias down below from B2B or even BTOB-BLUE. I love them all equally. But currently I'm with Sungjae. Sungjae has me my bias, and then Hyunsik, he has to be the bias wrecker here, especially when I listened to Rainy Apujong. Has to be one of those special songs. It starts out when it's like where you get some of those rain sounds in that collaboration song. Be sure to check out that song, that collab, if you haven't, because it is pretty underrated. And I loved this entire music video and how it was shot. Definitely let me know if you enjoyed this, and yeah, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and peace.